Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to learn PC or laptop performance using your task manager on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you have to learn how your PC or laptop performance, then what you have to do, you have to just right click on your start menu, then click on task manager. In this you can see first which is processors, in second you will find performance. You have to click on this. Here you will find all the details like CPU, what is your processor. Below you can see the base speed and the cores and the logical processors, what is the speed and how much utilization is here. You can see this is the utilization and this is the speed, and second option you will find here memory. In this you'll find how much RAM you have and how much RAM it's using. You can see total I have 4 GB RAM and 3.4 GB RAM is using currently. So how much available is 570. The third one is disk, how much hard disk you have. So I have two hard disks, one is SSD and one is HDD, so it's showing here. So last one is Wi-Fi. That's it guys. So in this way you can learn your PC performance in your task manager on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.